I ain't worth more than the thought of me. I gotta be the Lord, said I'm worth it all when he paid the whole fee. Put his spirit in my heart so that I can be free. Way be, you will find liberty and have peace every damn way. Gotta give thanks, gotta pray. Whatever my hands gotta do, I gotta do it great. Go the whole way, gotta stay focused in the paint. Bottle in my face, I don't want.
Hey yo, it's Gucci Nay Gang. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be doing another Poppin curl combo. Now I have one video of this, and I'll link that up above. I think I want to say this way. If not, it's gonna be this way. We don't know right now, but either way, I have another one for you. So today's Poppin curl combo is going to be the Jelly Soft Curls by Miss Jessie's and my Edge Booster Styling Gel. Everybody knows I love this stuff, but this makes my hair really crunchy. So I was going to see if I could use this to make it a little bit softer. This is also a gel, but this is like it says the best darn super soft gel period. So this is the combination I'm going to be using. So I washed, deep conditioned, and I put in the My pomegranate and honey leave-in. For those who don't know, that is like my absolutely favorite leave-in ever, and I hope I didn't go too heavy-handed. So yes, because I'm really not trying to have this flake. I need this to last me for the entire week. So yeah, so if you haven't, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video. And yeah, so this is the leave-in. I'm going to go in with this. I'm not going to use a lot of this because this was, I think, $12 at the Walmart I went to. Smells good. Oh, I love the way that smells. It smells good, definitely. So I'm just going to put like some like this, and then when I subsection I might just put like a tiny bit more, but I don't really need to put a lot more, and it's actually defined my curls a little bit. I'm surprised. So yeah, so I'm hoping with this combo I get the definition, but also it won't be like too like it'll be like soft as well. I like that. It's actually defining my curls just with this. But I know this isn't going to be enough. So take a little bit of that. I'm going to subsection. But yo, like this definition I'm already getting is wild. Like that's just from that. Water. Just a little bit more water. I'm debating if I want to just finger detangle my way through it. I think one wash and go. I'm not going to even use this wet brush, even though I love using it. But I'm not going to really use it. Just taking like that much, literally, and putting it on this section. I can't get over, one, how good that smells, and two, how defined my hair already looks. But I know it's not going to last me, so I'm not even going to take like that much gel, because these are 2 gels. I'm going to probably take like that little bit, and I know I'm probably going to need some more, to be quite honest. I'm starting off with that. I'm trying to learn how to be less heavy-handed, y'all, because I feel like I be going over the moon and back. Not bad. Alright, y'all. So, what I'm going to do... I don't know why I always forget to clip up this other part first. So, what I am going to do is... get my life together first. Repeat the same process. Just take a tiny bit more of this and then put a glob of this on and just go back and forth. Let y'all listen to music. Listen to music and yeah, I'll let you see how it's looking when it's done. I'm excited. Very, very excited.
Mr. Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and my strings. Write my own text like I write what I sing. Got this, stop watching, my neck is flossy. Make big deposits, my gloss is dropping. You like my hair, she thinks, just drop it, I see it.
this is what my hair is looking like so far. So I am actually going to sit under the dryer because I have somewhere to go today. So I'm gonna sit on the dryer for maybe like an hour and a half, and then hopefully I'll have time to stretch it and stuff. But I think this is going to be successful. Like, my hair feels good. Like, this right here, I don't want to say too much like beforehand, but this right here, I really like this. I do. But I'll give my final thoughts and stuff at the end of the video. So I'm going to go sit under the dryer. I am going to try to stretch it and stuff before I have to go. If not, I will come back later on today and I will show you what I'm working with. So I will see you then. Alright guys, so it is later on tonight of the same day. So my hair is fully dry. I stretched it and stuff. So I'm going to let you see what it's looking like. Y'all, not even going to hold y'all. Like, I think it's really, really cute. Now, still does have a crunch. But I think that's because I packed on a lot more gel at the end, especially like in this area. But I'm glad that it does have a little bit of a crunch to it because I need it to last for a week. So yeah, my hair is very defined. My hair isn't moisturized, but the Jelly Soft Curls didn't claim for moisture. It's claimed for a soft hold, but I think I was a little heavy-handed with the other gel, so it's softer than what it would be if I had just used the gel on its own. I will say that I do notice that, like, my hair feels like it's not really hard. Like, in some places where I packed on a lot of the gel, it's hard, but for the most part, it's really not. I just need to find a good, like, moisturizer to go with this combo, and then I think we will be good because the Jelly Soft Curls didn't claim moisture. It said the best best darn soft hold period, something like that. So yeah, but I'm glad my hair has a little bit of crunch because I need it to have that so it can last me for some time. But yeah, so I'm loving the results. I said that this combo is a success. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you're not, you shouldn't. You saw that I diffused because I had to go out with my best friend. So yeah, so this is my hair and I'm loving it. So if you guys like the results, please let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what else you would like me to try out. I have a few videos coming up, so I'm excited. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't, please make sure you smash the like button. Give me a big old thumbs up. It helps me a lot. So yeah, thank you guys and love you guys. Bye guys.
Drop a big popper, think I need a surgeon, doctor, fire department. I've been on the streak, no losses, we get sparked, and then I go and leave the surface, join my Martians. Set the timer, seat recliner, but I never ease my mind in perfect timing. Recommend they work low harder, switch the grind up temperature, the smoke is rising, where's the hydrant? Night and daily, dollars pay me, I'ma let her drop the draws.